Hi, it's John Huntington again. I haven't done an EVP session for a couple days. I just did a spare box session, had some pretty cool results, and I'm going to do a short EVP session right now. I've already started recording, so I'll set it over there. Any of my spirit friends here today? You can come over there and talk into that little red light where the microphone is if you want, on the cooler. You can tell me your story. Or if you don't want to talk, and you don't like me recording you, you can either say so or go over and you can knock that right off the thing, knock the recorder off the cooler if you want to. Okay, we're gonna stop it in a few more seconds. 5 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Hi, it's John Huntington again. I've been EVP session for a couple days. Just did a spare box session, had some pretty cool results. And I'm going to do a short EVP session right now. I've already started recording. I'll set it over there. Help me real quick. Let's put this way. Sound like help me. Any of my spirit friends here today? Really low one. Over there talking to that. I don't know if you really hear it. Come over there and talk. That's me. There. Talk to me. Come over there and talk into that little red light where the microphone is if you want. On the cooler. Tell me your story. You sound healthy. Or if you don't want to talk, and you don't like me recording you, you can either say so or go over and you can knock that right off the thing, knock the recorder off the cooler if you want to. This one. Okay, we're gonna stop it in a few more seconds. 5 seconds.